Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Sandbox. Previously, we have seen that the price line of Sandbox was moving in a falling wedge pattern. Now it has broken out the resistance of this falling wedge, and in today's video, I want to share with you the next expected targets for Sandbox. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Now let's move to the chart, and this is the 4-hourly time frame. And previously we have seen that the price line of Sandbox was entered in this falling wedge pattern here on 24th of November. For the long term, it has been moving in this channel in this falling wedge pattern, and here the price line found another support after December 6th. The price line found this support and resistance as well, and it formed another down channel within this falling wedge, and moving in this channel, it also broke out the resistance of this falling wedge, and it was moving sideways due to the resistance of this down channel, and finally broke out the resistance of this down channel here, and now it has rallied very well and broke out this resistance of $6.45. And I'll show you how much important this resistance is. And we can also watch that the price line has also broken out this 4-hourly EMA 21, and if we switch to the daily time frame, then we can also observe that the price line has also broken out the EMA 21 even on the daily time frame. Now let's take a look at this support and resistance, and we can see previously when we had this powerful rally, and after that we had this drop, the price line found this level, that is $6.45 as a support, moved up again moved down and used this level as a support, and moved up again, and finally broke this level down. And after that, this level was working as a resistance because previously it was working as a very nice support. Now if I switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see that for several hours this level has been working as a resistance when we had this rally, but finally the price line has broke it out, and after breaking it out, we are having a nice accumulation above this. Now it is working as a support, $6.45. Now, if we switch back to the daily time frame, then we can see that we are also having a very nice accumulation above this support. And if this support won't be broken down, that I'm not expecting that the price line will break down the support again because previously it has been working as a nice support and resistance, then we can expect another powerful move from here. Now, the price line can also break out this resistance we have. For example, if I place this trend line where we have most touch points, for example 1 2 3, we have touch points here, so this resistance is on the daily time frame approximately at $8. Therefore now we can expect the next move to this resistance, and the price line can try another attempt to break out this resistance of $8. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.